Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to share my crypto horror story with you, or maybe it's not. Alright, but before I get into this video, if you're looking for a super easy side hustle that can make you $50 commissions, instant commissions over and over again, check out the link in the description of this video. Look for a $50 side hustle, watch the video, and start earning money. And the cool thing is, right, if you're into cryptocurrency and all that good stuff and investing, you could take your profits from this side hustle and put it straight into buying crypto or stocks or whatever. Alright, so check that out. Now let's get into it. If you're watching my videos, you know I'm a baby in the whole stock market investing game and all that stuff. And then, you know, cryptocurrencies, you know, they're getting more and more popular. So I decided to look into crypto a little bit. Right now, one YouTuber, very popular YouTuber, I'm actually a part of his Patreon when it comes to like stock investing and everything. So he sent out an email basically talking about Cardano, which is a very popular cryptocurrency right now. A lot of people talking about it in the whole crypto game. And so I took a quick look at it. Now I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a baby with this. I'm learning cryptocurrency, right? And I know a lot of people be like, hey, don't be throwing money at this if you don't know. It's a dirty game with this crypto stuff, right? So I understand that, but I got the you know, the advice from the Patreon group, and then I started looking into it just a little bit, and I'm like, oh, okay, this looks like it has some good potential, right? So I was willing to throw. I was planning on just buying like $275 worth of Cardano. At the time, it was like $1, I think 38, right, per share of Cardano, and I'm like, all right, so I just gonna buy like $275. So I went to Binance, Binance.us. Had to create an account, all the full 9, right? So when I go to actually make my purchase, $275 to put into my account, every time I went to put $275 in and I would click submit, an error message would come up and it would say, X, please try again. And I'm like, what is this? Like, come on, baby. So I do it again. It says, please try again. I'm like, then I do it again. And again, and again, and one more time, right? So you probably see where the story is going. So all these X's, right? And I'm like, all right, finally my order went through. So I'm thinking, yes, all right, cool, right? I'm good. I got me some Cardano, $275, you know what I'm saying? See what happened with it. Then, so I don't know why, like an hour later, I'm like chilling, watching YouTube or something. And I'm like, I had this weird feeling like, I wonder, that every time I click, you know, submit again, after seeing that, please try again, I wonder, were they really like, was that counting? Like, were they actually looking at that as a purchase? Then I'm like, nah, right? So I would check my account for a couple days, nothing, right? Nothing out my bank account. So I'm thinking, okay, we good, right? So like on I think it was Tuesday. So I made the order on, I think, Friday, and on Tuesday, I checked my account, just casually scrolling through. So I look, and I see my balance, and I'm like, what? So I look, and I'm like, my heart started beating fast. I'm like, whoa, remember, I ain't balling crazy yet. But I'm like, my heart started beating like, oh my God, somebody hacked my account, what's going on? So I look, and I see, this what I seen, y'all. This is what I saw. I saw 275. 275, 275, 275, 275, all what do you call it, deductions or debits or whatever you want to call it, 6 times, right? 6 times. So I ended up buying $1,700 worth of Cardano instead of the $275 worth of Cardano, right? So my initial thing is like, oh my God, I gotta get this money back, blah, 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 blah. So I was kind of like freaking out. Like, I didn't want to buy $1,700 of Cardano, huh? But then I'm like, wait a minute. What if is the stock gonna pop off? Or this crypto Is this going? What if I sell it, get most of the money back, and then what if Cardano goes to $50 a share, or even $10 a share? Like, ooh, right? So I come to the conclusion, like pretty much I'm gonna keep that 1700 in Cardano, right? Then I go back and forth. I'm like, man, maybe I should take a little bit out. You know what I'm saying? I'm still a baby at just crypto. So I don't know. Like I'm kind of torn right now. I'm still leaving it in my account. You know what I'm saying? I still got that. I don't know. So if you got an opinion on it, should I sell, some of the Cardano, or should I leave all of that 1700, still on Cardano, right? And just leave it in there and just see what happens with it, right? Right now, I'm leaving it in there. I don't know. I'm gonna keep y'all updated, but I ain't gonna lie. Like I didn't mean to buy 1700, and really it ain't even my fault. To be honest with you, like the website, Binance or whatever, they need to fix that, because every time I hit submit, at least on my computer, it would keep saying, "Try again, please try again." So I'm thinking, okay, we'll try again. So I click. Every time I click, they was just racking up that 275. That ain't cool. But so yeah, man, that's my crypto horror story, and that's like not a good beginning to my crypto so far. But I'm still learning it. You know what I'm saying? I'm still learning it. Like I said, I'm doing my research, watching videos, getting audio books, you name it, trying to just learn this game, because I do believe stock, investments in general is huge, right? And I think that can really build people's future wealth, right? So that's what I'm trying to learn. But that's my story, guys. If you got an opinion on Cardano, should I sell it, or should I keep it in there, or should I sell a little bit of it, right? So let me know what you think below, guys. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Till the next time, peace.